Hey guys, hope you're having a fantastic day. Oh, one second. Kilby Browne here, the Property Hats New York City team. Here I am on the gorgeous Upper West Side, sitting outside the Bull Moose Dog Run, in the little park just north of the museum here, right on 81st and Columbus. So, quick little update on some one-bedroom apartments that are available. If you did a search between 72nd Street and 89th Street, between 449,000 and 550,000, you would find 22 apartments available on the market, and 9 of them would have a full-time doorman. Interesting. Opportunities abound. Here I am on the Upper West Side in between open houses. If you have any questions, need any help, I'd love to help you out. Once again, this is Kilby Browne with the Property Hats New York City team in gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, not quite Central Park, but right next to Central Park, the gorgeous parks on the Upper West Side, New York City. I tip my hat to you. Have a great day. Let's be in touch. Bye-bye.